Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to take remote photos using your Xiaomi Watch 5. So, frankly, you can use your watch for taking photos from the smartphone your watch is linked to. Just make sure that your device is connected to your both devices are connected, and that your smartwatch is currently connected via Bluetooth to your smartphone, to your smartwatch, or to your smartphone. I don't remember what I said first. And anyway, all you have to do is open the apps menu on your watch and then tap on the camera icon in here. This will automatically open the camera on your smartphone. Then you'll also be able to see what you are currently seeing on your on your smartphone's camera, and tap the shutter icon to make a quick photo using your watch. Then the photo will be saved in your smartphone's gallery, and that's it basically. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.